Welcome people to Who is Luke, reviewing this set that is from Monster Fighters. This is the biggest to smallest set. This is $7.99, ages 7 to 14. It has it has 70 pieces. It's called the Swamp Creature. It's 9461. Here is the back. It's really awesome. Here you get one instruction manual. Here, let's get on to this set. Here is Frank Rock. I love him. He's so awesome. I like the hair. He does have a double-sided face. And there's the front. Here, I like the jacket. Here is the Swamp Creature. I really like him. Here is his face. It's really creepy. Sorry. I'm back. Okay. So I like his details in the back. Let's get on to the set. Here is this swamp thing here. And there's a fish and a frog. All you do is sit the swamp creature there. And then here's the moonstone. Some kind of thing that has some kind of ocean on it, like slime or something. Here is the airboat. As you can see, there's a propeller in the back. Here is flick fire missiles. Sorry. And I just flipped it out. And I hit my dad's camera on accident. And here is the bottom of it. These blue pieces. Now, what I really like about this is that Frank Rock doesn't have to hold his guns. He can just sit them in front of him. So he doesn't have to hold them. And all you do is sit Frank Rock there and get him in the cockpit. Like that. So that's been a quick review by Luke. And see you next time for a Lego awesome review.